We go around Lushan Mountain with Winton, and it was so foggy that you can almost see nothing. At least here we were able to take some pictures of the very nice temple here with a beautiful lake, and that's how it looks like. And now we go to Guangzhou. We are now at Hangzhou Railway on a speed train, and we're going to get our Didi. It says ride-hailing car. So the train we took will be going all the way to Shanghai. Mukhang pagod na yung roller bag ko tsaka backpack Ayun si Berna, naka-roller bag din, tsaka backpack. Siyempre, gutom kami, kakain muna kami. Okay, gagamit si Berna ng WeChat as payment. Problema, ubus na yung hamburger nila. Chicken sandwich na lang. Forced to good. So, kailangan si Berna may translator. Kung hindi, problem. Okay, yung China. Pero yun nga lang, yun, nagbayad na. Ginamit na ng WeChat. Oh, ayan na. Let's eat, Mama Berna. Okay. Okay, so this is the waiting area for car hailing. Okay, so we're looking for 32B6 Black Honda. Ayan si Berna. Okay, so pagka hindi kayo magkita, yun, problema yun. Kasi hindi tayo marunong mag-Chinese. Kailangan translator talaga katapat. Okay, finally we found the car. Okay, so kasya naman lahat. Mama, nag-stress ka, kakahanap. Kasi nagparada siya, hindi siya umiikot. So by Didi, it's going to be a 20-minute ride to our hotel. Yan, sa may lake. Ito na pala yung Sofitel. Lapit lang pala from the railway station. Okay, ito na kami. Yan, yung libar. Ito na, yung lobby. Okay. Masipag naman si driver. O sa wakas, goodbye, good night. Sa wakas, dumating si bellboy. Okay, we don't have to carry our bags. Okay, as we enter the lobby, para kay Berna, mag-register. Ako naman, chill muna rito habang nag-aantay. Okay, hopefully we get another upgraded room. There's Berna. Oh, ganda rin ang mga design, no? Okay, so punta muna kami sa bar. Okay, this is the Le Bar. Sarado na pala yung bar. Di ba, sarado, Berna? Upo na lang tayo. Let's chill out. Okay, upo lang muna para mag-chill, walang tao. Okay, tayo lang sa bar. Let's go. Maaga magsara yung bar nila. Ano yung dala-dala mo?
Mas pwede ang
Oh, okay. Uy, meron silang hairy crabs. Berna, Chinese restaurant pala to. Meron, matest natin. Let's go to the room. Parang luma na tong hotel na to. So it's 609. Alright. Ito na, si 609. Ito, mga bags natin. Nauna na sa atin, Berna. Oh, wow. Okay naman pala yung room niya. Madilim lang. Aba, malaki rin yung toilet. Okay, so dalawang pintuan. Yung kanyang shower at yung aking yung trono. Okay, meron tayong welcome amenities. Fruits again. Palagi tayong may prutas. So, quite tired for this trip to Hangzhou. Galing kami sa Zhejiang. Ayan, pwede tayo magprutas muna, Berna. Okay, fruits and sweets. Okay. Pamparami ng sugar. Mama, thank you for my coffee, Wow, ganda pala ng kwarto natin pagka umaga na, Tingnan natin muna yung view before we go. Oh, ayan ang view. Ayan ang view ng Hangzhou. You're surrounded by the lake and a lot of trees. So, dyan ako nagko-coffee. Dyan ako nag-relax. And that's my beautiful wife. And that's, ayan, dami na nakasabit na mga mga damit, mga aming labada. Okay. So, not bad. The room is nice. But not so big. Mama, nandito tayo sa Elite Member Floor. Nice. Yeah, okay. Oh, yun daw, papuntang lake. Highlight kasi dito yung lake, di ba, Mama Berna? Oh, biro mo, may dala ka pang tubig, oh. Ha? Kasi minsan walang tubig pala yung hot water, eh. Kagabi, malungkot kasi dumating kami so late. Ayan ang lobby. Pag dumarte ka ng late, medyo it's very sad. Everybody is very tired. Oh, mukhang masarap to. Cucumber. Cucumber. Ano tang tao uli dito? Masarap to. Ito yung nakikita ko sa dagat. Okay, hanap muna kami ng upuan. We're always late every time we have breakfast. That's why it becomes a brunch. Yes, we don't have to eat breakfast and lunch because we eat very, very late. Okay, so this is the breakfast area. These are the foods. Oh, halos wala ng tao. Kami na lang natitira. Okay, so saan ba tayo uupo, Berna? Yan, dito na. Okay, so let's get some food. Berna's getting food while on her cell phone, huh? Okay. That's so much food here. At least on my plate, I have my eggs, my mackerel, my mushroom, and what else do I have? I have beans, it's a regular breakfast meal. Okay, that's food of Berna. And Berna got me fruits. Oh, thank you, Mama Berna. And this is their Yongjingi Chinese restaurant. Okay, that's it. That's the Chinese restaurant here in Sofitel, Guangzhou. And this is their specialty, the braised sea cucumber. Wow, looks yummy, pero mahal yan. Mura pala, 88 lang, Berna. Stone pot scallion braised sea cucumber, only 88, less than 600. Here at Sofitel, Hangzhou, Westlake. Yan, nice flowers by Sofitel. Ganda ng mga ilaw niya. Oh. Well, it's an old hotel but still good. Okay, so it's back to the room. Hopefully malinis na yung room namin. Oh, malinis na raw, sabi ni Berna. Oh, finally, the room is clean after having breakfast. Okay, time to relax again. Oh, Berna, how do we start our day? What's the plan? Berna, did you hear me? What's the plan? Where do we go?
Sa lake.
Sa lake. Yun ang highlight dito, no? Yung lake. Okay. So, banyo muna. Then we go to the lake. All right. So, this is the Sofitel in Guangzhou. Guangzhou, tama ba? Guangzhou, no? Guangzhou. Okay. We go to the lake. And we're actually nasa lake na tayo eh. We just go around. So, pagkatapos nung lake, saan pa tayo pupunta, Berna? Saan pa tayo pupunta after the lake?
Executive lounge.
Sa executive lounge. Okay. Okay, so we'll try the executive lounge of this 5-star Sofitel. Okay, thank you for watching.